launching a EC2 instance. My instance will have public IP. My instance should have security group. So I am creating a security group. Yesterday we have allowed RDP. Today we will be allowing SSH. For Windows, it's RDP protocol, RDP, TCP protocol. For Linux, it's a port 22 SSH protocol, SSH, and the protocol is TCP protocol. Secure shell host, port 22, and it falls under TCP. We have TCP, UDP protocols. So we are going with the TCP and SSH, TCP protocol, port range, source type, anywhere. This means IPv4. This represents IPv4. So means this instance can be connected from anywhere in the world. How? With the help of username, with the help of password. At security group level, you have allowed port 22. This is a security group. And what else we need? We need a hard disk. Yesterday, we attached 30 GB hard disk to the Windows machine. Today, we are attaching 8 GB. Why there is a difference? Windows is a graphical with command and operating system. Hence, it required 30 GB is minimum. Since Linux and Unix distributions are command and operating systems, they just need minimum hard drive, which is 8 GB. So we are attaching 8 GB hard disk. And hard disks are different types. These are the different hard disk types. You can select any of the hard disk type. Each hard disk will have features, performance features. So magnetic is a standard, cost will be less, performance will be also moderate, not high. But these four are performance-wise excellent. Based on the type of hard disk, AWS is going to charge us. And there are two more hard disks. These hard disks, like external hard disk, hold HDD and throughput optimized HDD. These two are external hard disks. Means on this hard disk, you cannot install operating system or you cannot install a software. But upon them, yes, you can install operating system, you can install other softwares, and you can do a storage. And these two hard disks are for only storage purpose. Then we have, here is a summary. How many instances we are launching? 1. And what is IAM? It is Linux distribution. And the name of the distributor is called Ubuntu. Version is called 22.04. And it is LTS, long-term support. Every image will have AMI ID. And what kind of configuration we attached? 1 core processor, 1 GB RAM. And that will fall under instance types. Since if somebody wants to connect this instance, then we have a security group. At security group level, you need to enable the ports. So we created a firewall, nothing but security group. And in order to install operating system, the selected AMI should be installed where upon this hard disk. So we have given 8 GB hard disk. And we are part of free tier. Hence, if we launch this instance, AWS is not going to charge for us. If you go to under advanced, a lot of other configurations we have here, but here meaningful configuration, what you're supposed to take away from this is only IAM instance type. This I will explain separately. IAM instance type. Why we need, I'll explain. For now, I will close this advanced. Click on launch instance. As of now, we are launching a Linux operating system in the cloud. It's a virtual machine. In which physical data centers? In North Virginia physical data center. As you know, AWS has global infrastructure. There are 33 regions, 105 data centers. Now we selected by default region as North Virginia. In this North Virginia region, we have selected one physical data center during the instance launch. That instance will be connecting from Hyderabad. I'm sitting in Hyderabad. Forget about this region. I'm in Hyderabad. From here, I would like to connect this instance. That means I need a public IP. So the instance which we are launching, even it contains public IP. Only public IP is enough to connect? No. At security group level also, port should be enabled. At security group level, port 22 should be enabled from my IP address. This is everywhere.